Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create this looping firefly effect in After Effects. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with a new composition and let's go with this looping fireflies, and I'm gonna go with full HD resolution 24 frames per second and per second as a duration and hit OK. Now let's add a new solid. Right click, new solid, and I'm gonna go Trapcode Form. We are going to use third-party plugin from Giant. You guys can check the link below. You don't have to buy it, you can just use their free trial version, okay, and they give 1 month free. You guys can just check out, and I'm gonna hit OK. Now let's go to effect and preset and search for form, and I'm gonna just double click to apply it. This is a really great plugin if you are planning to create looping animations. And I'm gonna go to effect controls and let's open the base form. Here you can see this particle X, Y and Z, and I'm gonna set the X to 10 and let's set the Y to 10 as well. We don't need and Z, so I'm gonna set this to 0. And you can increase the base form size XYZ a little bit to maybe around 1000, something like this, because we are going to add a displacement to this. And let's close this up and open the particles, and here we can set the particle type to sphere. Maybe let's go with glow sphere so we can get some glows to this particles. And I'm going to increase the size a little bit, something like this. You can also increase the size random, so it will give some random size, maybe around 75. Looks good. And yeah, something like this. And let's give a color to that firefly color, more like green and yellow, something like this. And I'm gonna hit OK. You guys can just copy this hex code, and yeah, we are done with the particles. Let's open the disperse and twist. Here we can give some disperse. As you can see, it will increase the displacement of these particles. You can also give some twist like that. Let's close this up. As you can see, it's not animated. We need to go to fractal field to get some displacement, so I'm gonna increase the effect size to maybe around 10, yeah, something like that. And also let's increase the effect opacity, something like this. Let's also increase the displacement. When we increase the displacement, if you press spacebar, as you can see, it will give that nice looking smooth motion. If you need more speed, you can increase this. If you check this, as you can see, I think this needs to be a little bit lower, so I'm gonna go with 300 maybe. Check this out. Yeah, something like that. Looks good. And you can also increase the flow X. Basically, this particle will go x-axis more frequently when we increase this. Yeah, looks good. Let's say we need this to be a loop. So what we can do, we can see this flow loop option. So I'm gonna just tick this, and we can give a loop time anything you like. I need a 6-second loop, so I'm gonna go to 6 and then press N on my keyboard in the composition here, like that. Now we can set the loop time to 6 because we have set the 6 as our loop time, as you can see. And if you check this animation, this will give us perfect loop, as you can see. Now that's basically it. You can also add some glow. You can go to effect and preset and search for glow. Let's add a glow. And that's basically it. You guys can just change the color if you want. You can go particles and give some different color if you want. Now if you want to overlay this, you can just put your video down below and set the blend mode to add O screen, okay. That will overlay these particles. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is how you create this looping firefly effect in After Effects. You can use After Effects default, but you can't get that looping effect. That's why I use Trapcode Form. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for all the better supporters. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.